This is amazing. Recorder.
Okay, 8.2 meters. Okay, group 3. Group 3.
We're group 4. I have the Coke. Coke. Okay, Cola. I have the Coke.
Okay, put it on. Open it
It's
up.
gonna be awesome. Just chug it. Okay.
Now I'm gonna pull it.
No, Liam. This is amazing.
Hi, friend.
I can
Top.
Where's that?
Go, girl.
Hayden, stop. Stop. I'm trying to record here, man.
Low round 4-7.
Turtle power.
You might want to back up for this one.
Back it up now.
Don't shake it too much. Don't shake
I think we're gonna die.
Now,
You're not
release. 3. You might want to hold the bottle. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm so sorry. I forgot to record that. I was looking at that. You're in the way.
Group 4, you're up.
I want to do it.
Who did that?
Leon. Can you record
Group 4. Why am I missing one bottle?
No, that way.
Why am I missing one bottle? I should have.
There's one behind you.
Okay, our bottle is gonna be the best. Okay. This is our bottle. Yeah.
Group 4.
You can put them in.
We need to record the data. Mr. Johnson, can you put in the mentals and then
We got our recorder, right? We got our recorder.
I thought you were filming.
Not really
that way.
recorder.
Goggles should be on. All goggles should be on.
Recorder, record.
Thank you guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
can I
Drop them in. Drop them
blast them up?
in. Drop them in.
Can I blast them up?
You're dropping in. You can't do both.
You're a spaceman. Can I let it rip?
You're doing recording. Put it back on.
So who's anyone
Back
else
up.
want to do?
All right.
Can I try it out?
Are you in the
Should I do it slow-mo? Should I do it slow-mo?
Can I
Cameron, let's do
try
it.
it?